All right, great. And so, as we said before, there are 8 steps in the Baldrige organization. The first one is charter, or constitution. Who we are, what's our mission, what's our vision.
What do we do? And what do we do that is better than what everybody else, what other organizations do?
Yes. So again, charter or constitution, that's the number 1. And number 2 is meeting the needs of external customers.
The customers that you will be serving and the ones that be buying your product or you will be giving service to.
Those are your external customers. And then at the second customer level, that's empowering your internal customers.
Does anybody know what internal customers are?
Staff members?
Staff members, yes. Empowering your staff.
And they become internal customers as soon as you realized that you're going to build something amazing. And do you want the riffraff working for you, or do you want the very, very best working for you? Who do you want, Mark, the very best or the riffraff?
The very best.
Okay. Do you think that the very, very best have options? Do you think they have to work for you? No, they're the very, very best. They know it and everybody else knows it. And as soon as you wake up to that, they become your internal customers. You start to think about them in a whole nother way. Okay?
Yep. And then this step is process efficiency.
Number 4 is profit efficiency.
Process.
Oh, process efficiency.
Process efficiencies to maximize profit. Yes, process efficiencies to maximize profit.
When you see process efficiencies, write the word profit under there. That's what that's about.
Maximizing profit. That's the main goal in this 4th step.
After the first 4 steps, there's change.
So this is the symbol for change that we use?
The triangle?
Yes.
Does anybody know how to stop change? Do you know how to stop change from happening in the universe? No.
Make it no.
No. You're wavering on that. But you're kind of thinking maybe you can. But it's actually happening inside of you and happening around you all the time. What's the number 1 change that's going to happen when your business is screamingly successful? That you can count on. You can set your clock by it.
Competition.
As soon as they see you go driving your hot convertible, and they say, "Wait a minute, how did she do it?" And you can count on them beyond you. Okay, okay.
So there will be change, and we represent that in a triangle, and
there will be competition.
So, but without that, this is all you really need. But because change will always going to be there, and that's why we need the next section.
Yes, thank you. So, and then the first step after change is a clear understanding of leadership. And
does anybody know the three types of leadership an organization can have?
What do we have in the military?
Authoritarian.
Yeah,
maybe say that top down.
If you don't know what
the
leadership is, it is going to be top down.
Yes, if you're unsure about what kind of leadership format that your company is employing, then it's probably top down.
But we have 2 more. There's bottom up, and then there's collaborative.
This is a space that we sponsor, a collaborative space. There's no top down or it's just we all work together.
We're all equals.
Can you see that everybody's equal in this space? Can you see everybody kind of fills each other? We already know what we're all doing here.
And now we move on to the 6th step. That is strategy. Strategy.
What is the one word that you think of when you think of strategy?
Plans.
What else?
Well, what are the plans based on? Who makes the plans and what are they based on?
Based on ideas, experience.
But we changed the word from experience to
experimentation.
Do some pilot experiments about the future. You've got a growing concern. That's already in the 4 that they did on the right side. You've got customers already, but now what's the future going to be? You have to do little small experiments.
Yes, Steve said it perfectly. The future. The strategy is the total opposite of tactics. Tactics is short term,
And that's on this side. That's what you're doing here.
That's on this side, and strategy is long term experimentation. Yes.
And after strategy, there's marketing. Can anybody explain to us what marketing is?
Advertising your product.
Advertising.
Marketing is not advertising.
Selling the product.
Selling.
Selling. It's not selling, it's not
Advertising.
advertising.
And you guys are giving voice to the perfect things that you're being taught already. It's good. You said it just
Totally
perfectly.
normal.
You said it totally normally and perfectly, okay?
Yes. So marketing is the packaging.
But
It's
before-
Well, the creation.
the communication.
No, the creation.
The creation. Thank you, Steve. Creation.
The one is creation.
Do it like a list.
Okay, so we'll just do that. Okay, it's the creation. Okay, we'll do that.
Packaging.
Packaging.
Communicating.
Communicating.
And then lastly, delivering.
Delivering.
Delivering of
Oh,
The product.
value.